What's up guys, welcome back. Today we are gonna debadge the car. For those that want to debadge it but scared to do it, or if you have a clue or an idea how to do it and don't know how to start, I'll show you how in the steps, and I'll show you the tools you're gonna need for this little mini project. Alright, let's get started. So you're gonna need tape to mask out the surroundings of the letter, microfiber, the goof off, takes off the residues from glues, paint, and all that. Heat gun. I'm gonna use dental floss, so I don't have a fishing line, so I can take off the letters. You're also gonna need a clean microfiber cloth and some spray wax from Turtle Wax. So when you finish, just clean up all the residues of the goof off. So let's get started. I already went and masked off the surroundings of the letters. So now let's get the heating going. What you want to do is you can go straight, but the more effective way is going up top or sideways. Now you want to see if the letters move a little. If they wiggle, you can go ahead, just careful with side. If they wiggle, go ahead and use the gloss or the finish line. Oops, broke. I guess dental floss is not gonna work. Ah, there it goes. One off. The other one. Almost. Let's see if I can just pull it back off. Okay, just pull it back off. Okay, so next step, what you want to do is heat up a little more. You want to heat up the letters a little more. And then use the goof off. Just a little bit. You want to apply good enough amount of force down. Oh, the tape's coming off. Some of it you can peel it off with your fingers to start off, and then use the glue off to get the rest of it. If the towel dries off, go ahead and heat up a little the letters a little more, and add a little more goof off. You don't want to get it too hot, because then you're gonna ruin or damage your paint. This one's tough. You might come off with your finger. So just repeat the process, heating up and adding Goo Gone. Goof on. That's how you say it, goof on. Feels like double-sided 3M tape. I'm not sure if it is or not. Undo. Just step little by little. Oh, this one's hard. I did the other side earlier, and then it wasn't that hard to come off. Okay, almost done. Almost done, guys. Just a little tab more. Looks like it's all off. So after this process, you want to grab a clean microfiber towel and spray the wax on the towel so you can clean it. Can't really see it because not that much light on the garage. So spray the towel, clean it, wax it. Some guys use alcohol, some don't. The Goo Gone I got, it's perfect for this type of thing. Like new, or like if nothing was there. Perfect. So I did the other side also earlier, like I said. You can't really see it. I think I'm gonna leave the Nissan logo on there, but next step is take that off. I already finished debadging the car. You can see tools up there. Anyways, guys, but thanks for watching. If you think it was helpful, share the video, subscribe, hit the like button, the subscribe button, and I'll catch you on the next time. A little update: my bags are a week away, so very excited about that. And probably next week I'll put my 3P airlift management system kit on order, so it can also be delivered, so it can arrive on time with the bags, because they're separate from a different company, from AirTech. I got the bags from AirTech. You're gonna hit them up on Instagram or online. Go ahead and email them, call them for quotes, any questions that you need. But anyways, thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.